The need for good nutrition for patients suffering from renal failure. Our kidneys do a lot of work to help keep us healthy. They are responsible for filtering out waste from our blood. They release hormones that regulate blood pressure. Our kidneys process more than 18 gallons of blood each and every hour of the day, and filter more than half of the fluids we take in. Unfortunately, our kidneys are susceptible to a number of ailments, from simple kidney infections to kidney stones to chronic kidney disease, which can ultimately lead to renal failure. There are many symptoms of renal failure. Many patients have vomiting and diarrhea, which can lead to dehydration. Others find that their urine is foamy or bubbly and that they urinate often during the night. Other symptoms include blood in urine, difficulty urinating, weight loss, pale urine and increased urination. Some of the risk factors for chronic kidney disease include hypertension, gout, diabetes and family history, and there are some ethnic groups, such as African American, Hispanic, Native American and Pacific Islander, who are more susceptible to chronic kidney disease. Kidney failure can be caused by a number of things, and often, chronic kidney disease that leads to kidney failure is fatal. Some of the factors that can cause kidney failure include dehydration, the use of diuretics, an obstruction of renal veins or arteries, major infections, muscle breakdown, called lobodiolysis, and hypovolemia, which is a low blood volume which can be caused by extreme blood loss. More than 26 million Americans are affected by chronic kidney disease and millions more are at risk of developing it. The best way to keep this disease in check is to be diagnosed in the earliest stages when the disease is at its most treatable. Many patients with chronic kidney disease are also at risk of developing heart disease, which is a major cause of death for chronic kidney disease patients. When chronic kidney disease progresses to its final stages, it can lead to kidney failure. Proper nutrition is necessary for chronic kidney disease patients. It is essential that patients with chronic kidney disease follow a diet that has been planned specifically for their needs, one that has been created by a physician, dietitian or nutritionist. In the early stages of chronic kidney disease, patients actually need less protein than the average, healthy person. Normally, 35% of the daily caloric intake should come from protein. In the final stages, they need more because dialysis depletes the body of protein, which is needed to help rebuild tissues. All about protein. Protein is a macronutrient that everyone needs in their diets in order to survive. It is comprised of chains of amino acids and contains hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and carbon. Protein is a dietary source of energy and is necessary for the building, maintenance and repair of muscles and other tissues. Studies have shown that a number of serious health issues and diseases could be prevented by getting enough of the right proteins in our diets, and those who are in renal failure need different amounts of protein at different stages of their disease. There are two types of amino acids, essential and non-essential. Essential amino acids. There are 8 essential amino acids. They are called essential because they are amino acids that the body needs but cannot produce itself. Essential amino acids must come from dietary sources as well as protein supplements. The 8 essential amino acids are leucine, methionine, isoleucine, lysine, valine, threonine, phenylalanine and tryptophan. Non-essential amino acids. These are amino acids that the body needs and can manufacture itself. The 14 non-essential amino acids are L-arginine, glycine, hepatic acid, glutamine, alanine, asparagines, histidine, cysteine, taurine, serine, cysteine, proline, threonine and glutathione. There are 2 different types or proteins, complete proteins and incomplete proteins. Complete proteins contain all 22 of the essential and non-essential amino acids. Incomplete proteins do not contain all of the amino acids, but when eaten in combination, can provide the nutrients needed. Protein supplements can help. Many patients in renal failure, especially those who are in the final stages, require much more protein than the average person. Because they also must maintain low-calorie, low-fat diets, many physicians and dietitians recommend that patients use protein supplements. Not only are they loaded with the protein that patients need for tissue recovery and energy, they also have plenty of other vitamins and nutrients. There are a number of different types of protein supplements available, in addition to protein capsules, which can be taken anytime with your favorite liquid, such as water, milk or juice. The most popular types of protein supplements are protein powders, liquid proteins and protein shots. Protein powders are a popular choice for many people, probably because they're so versatile. There are many unflavored protein powders. Many of these are made from rice or soy protein, that can be used in just about any recipe to add protein to every meal. There are also protein powders available in a number of delicious flavors, including chocolate, vanilla, berry, and fruit punch, which can be used to make great tasting shakes, smoothies and slushies that can be used for meal replacements. Liquid protein supplements. Liquid protein supplements can be purchased in a form that is used to mix with a number of drinks, such as juice or milk. There are also liquid protein supplements that are pre-mixed and ready to drink, pre-measured servings that are extremely handy because they can be taken anywhere. Some of these supplements are available in such flavors as chocolate and vanilla. Protein shots, these are another portable form of liquid protein supplement. These small and delicious shots of liquid protein have 25 to 30 grams of protein per serving, so even drinking one in a day will provide half of the recommended daily intake. One of the more popular protein shots available today is ProfectR by Protica. This 2.9 fluid-ounce drink provides 25 grams of protein and only 100 calories, as well as being low in fat and carbohydrates. ProfectR is available in many delicious flavors, such as blue raspberry and grapefruit mango, and contains 100% of the daily recommended amount of vitamin C, as well as 10% of the daily recommended amount of the B-complex vitamins.